Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. Welcome back. Today I want to talk about how to handle life when you're really tired. And this could be really tired, or it could be having a migraine headache or being under the weather. But for moms, we often joke that there's no days off for us, right? The joke goes around the internet that, when your husband has a man cold, he can't do anything, but you could have a fever and be throwing up and you still have to do everything. I don't love internet jokes that much, but the truth is, we do often wake up and try to do business as usual, even though we didn't sleep well or have a headache. And I want to offer an alternative to you. First, I just want you to acknowledge the situation to yourself. I am tired today. I have the physical sensation of exhaustion. It doesn't really help us to think all throughout the day, I'm so tired, I'm so tired, I'm so tired. Thinking that will actually make you feel more tired. It's crazy. You'll spend energy thinking that, and you will perceive that you are more tired than you are. So I like to tell myself, I got 3 hours of sleep last night and I'm feeling the physical symptoms of exhaustion. Or I have a headache. I've had a headache for 40 minutes. I really like to tell my brain the facts about what's going on. The other thing I like to do is to ask myself, hey, love, what do you need today? What do we need to do today to take care of you in this state? I don't try to do business as usual. I acknowledge that something physical is going on with me, and I adjust my plans. I might cancel some things. I might move some things around. I will tell my husband, I didn't sleep well last night. Let's just think about what's going on today, because my brain isn't going to be as sharp. Or I have a headache. I've had it for 40 minutes. This is my plan. The other thing I do is I tell the children. I gather the little children around and I say, listen, ducklings, mommy didn't sleep well last night. So it would help me if there was a little less noise, or you just paid attention and asked me maybe fewer questions. Listen, children don't always have the presence of mind to do that, but it's amazing when I rally them and tell them I'm not feeling well. They are so sweet. They are so helpful. They really do try. And I don't say that every day. If I said it every day, it probably would stop meaning something to them. But oftentimes we don't sleep well, or we have a headache, we don't tell the children, and then we snap at them. And they don't understand what's happening. And so I want you to be gentle with yourself. Tell yourself the truth of what's happening. We don't need to exaggerate it. We don't need to say the day is going to be ruined. Just the facts. I slept 3 hours last night. I've had a headache for 40 minutes. And then involve your husband, change your plans. Excuse me, you guys. That was a sneeze. Change your plans, involve your husband, and tell your children what's going on. And take care of yourself. Take care of yourself for that day. You can do it. You are worth it. You are worth the time. You are worth the attention. You are worth moving things around for. You are worth carving out the rest. If I could help moms with one thing, it would be checking in with yourself, asking yourself what you need, and giving yourself those things. All right, mamas, I'm praying that you take care of yourself. Let people help you. Tell your family what's going on. Don't just soldier through and have the same kind of day. I'm praying for you. Thanks so much for listening, and have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening, and have a blessed day.